The last couple of years, it seems like everyone's into teaming days of the week with certain foods. You know, meatless Mondays, fish Fridays, and on and on. And I've never been a big fan of this concept since I've always felt you can eat whatever you want, whenever you want. But today, I'm giving in with a taco casserole that you can serve on Taco Tuesdays or really any day. We start by sauteing some ground beef with a chopped onion until the beef is browned. After it's drained, we add in some garlic powder, taco seasoning mix, and a can of tomato sauce. We give this a good stir and set it aside while we mix together some sour cream and a good amount of cottage cheese. Yes, I said cottage cheese. Now we build this, sort of like a lasagna, starting with a layer of crushed tortilla chips. Then we spoon on some of the meat sauce, followed by half of the sour cream mixture, and we top it with shredded Colby Jack. We'll layer everything one more time, and into the oven it goes. When it's heated through and the cheese is melty delicious, get ready for an all-in-one casserole that is bursting with goodness, layer after layer. The recipe for our taco casserole is online now and is ready for Taco Tuesday, or any day you crave something fill you up delicious. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a weeknight easy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.